In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create WordPress account. In order to do that, first head over to wordpress.com. Then from in there, you should be able to see in here this particular web page. In order to create an account, you can click on the Get Started option right here or right here. Either way, just choose one of them. Now, if you also have an affiliate link, you should be able to actually sign up using that affiliate link. Now from that button, you can see that we can actually create an account using Google, Apple, GitHub, or email. Just choose in here the method that you wish to do this. In my case, let me head over and continue with email. Input right here your email address. From in there, head over and click on continue once you have added that, and this will create your account. Now this will redirect you in here to this. You can see if it's already associated, but if it's not, you can edit it and click on continue in here again. And you can actually add it if you want. Once you're done on that part, it will actually redirect you to the onboarding. You can choose a domain, you can buy one, you can search for particular domains that you can actually get, and you should be able to see in here some search results that you can actually use. We have in here as well some free domains given by WordPress. So just head over and select a domain, or you can also use a domain that you own. Let me head over and select this. As you can see, it's free. Click on the discontinue. After that, choosing here the WordPress plan that you wish to use. We have free, personal, premium, business, commerce, enterprise, and the likes. In this case, let me head over and start with free. And after that, this will lay the foundations for the actual onboarding. And we can see in here our actual account dashboard once you're done signing up. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.